Softr is launching Standalone Forms. This is the easiest way to publish a form without building a full app. And the good news is that they are completely free. You get unlimited forms and unlimited submissions. You can store the data in a native Softr database or in one of the external sources that we support, or to any webhook, or to send them directly to your email. You can even connect your own domain and publish it with a link, or get a code snippet to add to any websites to integrate the form within the page. So let's have a quick overview. I'm now in the Softr Studio and I see this new tab here, Forms, and I've already created one, but you could simply start from scratch. Then that's the place to set the destination of the data. In my case, I'm storing the submissions in a Softr database. And then you have many options to customize your form. So for example, domain restrictions, where you can set that only emails from a certain domain can submit the form, for example, from your company. You can customize the design itself with a side section, or directly with the theme, where you can set the fonts or the color or the different styling of the form. And then to build the core of your form, you go into the steps and decide what are the steps to collect the data. So what fields, for example, an email, a full name, or a select value. And you can also set conditional logic. For example, for this contact form, we have two options. Either you want to ask a question or get a quote. And depending on what you select, you're being sent to the next step. Then when it comes to the form ending, you can show a success message or a thank you screen that can have a button. And when you're done building your form, you can go into the settings to either change the subdomain that's hosted by Softr, upload an icon that will appear in the browsers tab, or even set up your own custom domain. And when this is all done, you're ready to publish your form, which will be accessible at this link. And we can now send a test submission. Here, because I selected get a quote, I should reach the next page that's about requesting a quote and selecting the services I'm interested in and sharing more information. Now back in the studio, if I open the data tab, I will see all submissions of my form. And one last feature I'd like to show is in the publish section here, you can get the code that you can directly paste into your website to integrate the form and start collecting submissions from there.